In today's video, I'll show you on how you can connect Huawei Health to Strava. First things first, you want to make sure that you already have created an account on Strava. From there, open up Huawei Health, navigate through the Me option on the main dashboard right here inside Health. You just want to click on the Me option. From there, let's then navigate through the second option, which is going to be the Me category. Once again, you want to scroll down onto this page and then you want to select Privacy Management. From there, let's proceed to the next option, which is going to be the Privacy Management. You simply want to click on the Data Sharing and Authorization, and from there just click on the Strava option and you will be able to link your account. From there, the Strava link will show up. You simply want to log in your account. You should be good to go right after. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.